The sliding bracket assembly allows you to both tension and track your bandsaw's blade. The assembly consists of the sliding bracket, the knob and shaft, the tracking hinge and adjustment knob, the upper wheel axle, the tension spring, indicator, and adjustment nut. Common issues with the sliding bracket assembly are a cracked tracking hinge, loss of tension in the tensioning spring, or a bent wheel axle. Replacing the sliding bracket assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the bandsaw. First, I'll pull the table alignment pin, then the table insert. I'll loosen the tension on the blade. And now I can pull the blade away from the tires. Now remove the upper wheel. With the wheel removed, now I can remove the upper wheel guard. With the screw and plate removed from the blade guard, now I can carefully pull the blade guard away from the wheel guard and remove this plastic bolt. Now just a couple more screws and the wheel guard will come free. With the wheel guard removed, now the sliding bracket assembly will slide away from the saw. Now we can install the new sliding bracket assembly. You'll want to be aware that there's a tab on the indicator, and that tab needs to line up with the groove in the bracket. And now the new sliding bracket will slide right into the upper casting on the saw. Now I can reinstall the upper guard. I'll install all of the fasteners loosely and then tighten them up once everything's in place. I'll carefully slide the blade guard over the plastic bolt and secure it with the plate and screw. Now I can reinstall the upper wheel. Place it over the axle shaft and secure it with the nut. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade. And now you know how to replace the sliding bracket assembly on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.